Looking forward to having Landon Brandt stop by the station tomorrow for the Shields Weather Kid program from Robert Asp Elementary. Landon will help us figure out this weather. There's one thing for sure, it's looking cold out there. Crystal clear skies, not a lot of wind today compared to yesterday, but we are certainly still stuck in the molasses of a bitter cold air mass. Below the 0 mark for most of the day. 2 below right now, wind 9 miles per hour, still from that chilly north-northwesterly direction, and wind chill around 18 below right now in Fargo-Moorhead. We did, as mentioned yesterday, have that chance of seeing 0 or just above in our southernmost counties, Oaks and Sisseton at 1 degree. It's 2 above in Jamestown, but 2 below out to the north and west in Devil's Lake. And look at the chilly air with actual air temperatures between 5 and 10 below, all the way from Fergus Falls through Roseau and Bemidji included. It's bitter cold out there. And with the light winds, we have basically similar wind chills to what we expected, around 20 below, but it's still pushing 30 below 0 in places like Fergus Falls, Thief River Falls, and Bemidji at this hour. So bundle up. We don't have much in the way of snow to worry about. In fact, crystal clear skies and lower wind speeds are going to equate to some very chilly temperatures, and the closest snow we can see is way out in Saskatoon. Heading into the overnight hours, though, we'll see some changes, and here's how things shape up this evening. If you're heading out, I shouldn't even need to tell you, bundle up and bundle up in layers, because we'll have air temperatures diving down between now and 10 o'clock. Around 10 below in Fargo-Moorhead, but 15 below up north with wind chills. And again, wind speeds won't be too dramatic, 5-10 miles per hour, but wind chills will be between 20 and 35 below this evening under mostly clear skies. It's those mostly clear skies that will once again allow temperatures to really quickly fall. Overnight, we'll see those low temperatures dip down into the teens below 0 for Fargo. I think overnight we will hit our coldest temperature of the season, around 18 below. And then by daybreak at 7:30, when you're getting ready to head out the door on your way to work, make sure you plug the car in. Temperatures will be around 10 to 12 below, and we'll have wind chills around 30 to 40 below. The coldest temperatures as we head toward the morning hours will be to our east and to our north. As we look into northwest Minnesota, I would not be surprised to see a mid-20s below 0 first thing to start the day. South winds, though, tomorrow will start improving things. And that comes with clouds. So where the clouds move in, that's the sign the warmer air is trying to work its way back in the region. And oh yes, look at this. Afternoon snow for our western counties. Temperatures rising through the single digits, and late in the day we'll continue to see temperatures rise to between 5 and maybe even as warm as 15 degrees. As the snow moves into the valley by evening, it could cause some evening slippery roads on Thursday night should you be traveling to a hockey game, basketball game, or the like. And by Thursday night, I don't anticipate a lot of deep snow, but we could have an inch or more, mainly in our western counties. And then that snow continues to make its way through into Friday morning through central Minnesota. 1 to 3 inches where you see the deeper shade possible. Most of us between 1 and 1.5 inches, though. Wind chill advisory. Again, not a lot of wind out there, just dangerously cold temperatures with wind chills that will be brutal. Overnight temperatures do dip down to around 18 below in Fargo, then rise as we go through the day tomorrow into the single digits by the afternoon. We'll warm up even more late after sunset. Temperatures warmest to the west where the warm air is coming from. Single digits to around 10 degrees at 5 o'clock. Then we're talking about single digits for Lakes Country. Wind, chilly, and brutal temperatures throughout the day, but they will be improving as the clouds increase. Remember, that chance of snow will move into our westernmost counties from the Red River and west as we go beyond the 5 o'clock hour. Take a look at this glorious shot out there. Ash Wednesday, Edgeley, Minnesota. Capturing this a few days ago. Gene Hansen sharing with us a beautiful photograph. Here's your planning forecast. Friday, how about that? Above average temperatures, but it comes with those morning flakes. The snow will be out of here by the afternoon for your weekend travel, but the cold returns. How about 16 below on Sunday? And then we try to warm up 10 to 20 degrees early next week with more shots of snow. Basically, the roller coaster ride that we've been on continues into early next week.
Just keep those gloves, hats, and everything really close.
Don't lose them.
No, thanks, Hutch. Coming up next, beware that coffee you're drinking might not be the type that it claims to be.